Welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into inventory now app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The inventory now app is a clean, mobile friendly inventory tracker that lets you scan barcode, track the life cycle of your product, and even sync across devices. It supports order tracking, invoice generation, and simple reporting, which make it handy for resellers or small shops. However, the free plan is very limited, and to unlock unlimited items better sync, you need a paid subscription. So some users also mention occasional logout issue. So if you are signed in on too many devices, you might get kicked out. So in my opinion, if you run a small or mobile business and you need a smart, simple inventory tracker, Inventory Now is definitely worth using. But if not, have a large catalog or need advanced multi-user features, you will probably need to go for the pro version. And that's it. I hope you find the video helpful. If you did, hit and subscribe for more review.